Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Aradhya only here. Good afternoon,
Morning,
Aradhya.
ma'am.
Afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon.
Yes, now here everyone. Just give me a minute. अभी बताती हूँ क्या करना है. Yes, so I was saying, वेदांशु, आप इस क्लास में हो? हाँ, 4th A में. हाँ, ठीक है. पिछले क्लास में क्यों नहीं थे वेदांशु? Where were you in the previous class?
Ma'am, the network connection.
अब हो गया नेटवर्क कनेक्शन, ठीक है.
Ma'am, as my father go to vaccine station,
हाँ,
so I cannot do with laptop.
all right. ठीक है.
No, I'm doing with my father's.
अच्छा. Tanveer, Arshika, open your cameras. Okay, are you all ready with the reasoning books?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, how many questions we have done? Tell me, Radhya, how many questions have we done already?
Ma'am, we have done till.
We have done
Ma'am, we have done till 8.
8.
Question. Yes, ma'am.
0 to 6, 12 wala? Huh?
Ma'am, on the first one.
कौन सा?
No, ma'am, patterns make 8.
This heart one, na?
Yes.
Look here, let me show you which
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Very few students are here.
Yes.
This one, na? I must show you. This
Yes,
heart
ma'am.
one.
Height one.
है ना? Heart one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to start with the next one. That is question number 9. Everyone, I'm telling you page number. Take out page number. Which page number is it?
8.
Page 8. Page 8. Okay. Then question number, we are going to start with this one.
Yeah.
6. Please switch off your mic. 6, 8, 10, 12, and they are asking what will come here if the next one is like this. This is number 16. Alright, look here. Look here everyone now. Open your cameras. Unsha, Gauri, Daksh, Ansh Patel, open your cameras.
Ma'am, my camera is open.
बेटा जिसका कैमरा मुझे मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं आ रहा है उनका ही नेम ले रही हूँ मैं. Like that, Unsha is there. Ansh Patel, your camera is not opened. Now look here. See, this is question number. We are doing question number 9. We are doing question number 9. 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. All of you know which number will come. Which number will come now next? Tell me everyone. Everyone can tell. Yes, Vedanshu.
Ma'am, 14. Ma'am, 14.
Okay, everyone knows 14
14.
comes. But if you see the option, option में आपको 14 में A part में भी 14 दे रखा है, B part में भी 14 दे रखा है और D part में भी 14 दे रखा है. तो C part तो नहीं होगा obviously. A, B, D में से कोई एक हो सकता है. All are 14. But the shapes are also given to you. Like the shape is given to you here is like this. This shape is there. Then this shape is there and a circle is there. Now you have to tell which one is a correct one and with the reason. Raise your hands if you know the reason. See, A में भी दे रखा है, B में भी option है, D में भी 14 option. तो इसमें से which is the correct one you have to tell. And with the reason you have to tell me this. Okay, Aradhya, yes, tell the reason, Aradhya.
Ma'am, it will be the D1 because ma'am first there is there are all types of shapes, but circle is not there.
Okay,
So we
chalo.
will put
Chalo.
14.
Let's see her answer is correct or not. Who else want to answer? Manya, yes, Manya.
Option D is correct because all shapes are there and only the circle is not there.
All right, ठीक है. Okay, Manya. Anybody else? Raise your hands. I will see hands on the videos. I will not see that hands which are raised on the chat box. I will see your hands raised on the videos. Ankush, Unsha, Ansh, Alankrita, and Alark. Open your cameras. Alankrita is not able to open her camera except that. Except Alankrita, Ankush, Unsha, Ansh और Alark. अगर 5 minutes में कैमरा ऑन होता है तो ठीक है. नहीं होता है तो मैं आपको रिमूव कर दूँ. Now raise your hands. Now raise your hands. Manya told the answer. Aradhya told the answer. Anybody else? Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, 14.
Yes, 14 तो आएगा. इनमें से कौन सा वाला 14 आएगा?
Ma'am, option D.
Why? Reason?
Ma'am, because the last answer.
Arslan, don't speak in between.
Ma'am, because this is the last answer.
No. Last answer से क्या होता है? हर last answer ठीक होता है? हैं? हर last answer सब यही करना. अब last answer ठीक कर दिया करो सबके सब. Yes, Gauri.
Ma'am, the D1 because all shapes are there but circle is not
Okay, Ankush. Mic on करो बेटा अंकुश. I mic on करो.
Ma'am, first one 14.
Why? Why? बेटा आप सिर्फ आंसर नहीं बताना है, रीजन बताना है. रीजन बताओ अंकुश. Okay, Vedanshu, you tell the reason. I think you know the answer.
14. As there are all the type of shapes, but this type of shape is not there.
Which shape is not there? Which type of shape?
Option number A.
A. Okay. Why? Okay, this shape is not there. Then second. Second
And
reason.
second point is this, that we are adding plus 2 in every number.
तो बेटा सर्कल भी तो नहीं आया है, सर्कल भी तो हो सकता है. See everyone, now see the reason. What is the reason here? This is yes, Vedanshu.
Ma'am, in first one there are 3 sides, and in fourth one there are 5 sides, and in
Third one.
third one there are 5 sides, and in sixth one there are 6 sides, and in A1 there are 7 sides.
Very good. Yes, actually this is the correct reason. See, how many sides does a triangle have? How many sides do a triangle have? Triangle में कितनी sides होती हैं? 3 sides होती हैं. 1, 2, 3. How many sides does this square have?
4.
4. How many sides does this pentagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count these sides. 1, 2. इसमें मैं लिख दे रही हूँ. इसमें 3 sides थी, इसमें 4 sides थी, इसमें 5 sides थी. इसमें count करोगे, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Now here there will be how many sides?
7.
7. और यहाँ पर check करोगे 8 sides है. Yes, there are 8 sides. So check the first number. Check the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many sides are here in the first one?
7.
7. अच्छा, most of you are saying D option because ये जो है shape नहीं आया है. बेटा shape तो A वाला भी कहीं पर नहीं आया था. लेकिन A और D में से हमने कैसे decide किया? 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 side is increasing. तो यहाँ पर 7 sides वाला figure आएगा. Okay, so option A is the correct one. 7 sides. You must write, note down कर लो आप भी. इसमें नीचे लिख लो 7 sides, 5 sides और इसके नीचे लिख लो no side. Okay, let me share it on the D group also.
Ma'am, in the book.
और कहाँ लिखते हैं बेटा रीजनिंग? Okay, understood the reason? Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Question 9 हो गया, question 10 करते हैं. Let's do question number 10. You can note it down under every this number. कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ है? How many circles will be there in? Okay, there are 3 patterns given to us. Pattern 1. I'm not drawing the circles. Pattern 1 is given to you. Pattern 2 is given to you. Pattern 3 is given to you. Okay, now tell me how many circles are there in pattern 1? How many circles are there in pattern 1? Count and tell me.
And four.
4. Yes, very good. In pattern 1, we have 4 circles. In pattern 2, how many circles are there?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. In next pattern, how many circles are there?
10.
10. Alright.
10.
Now see, 4 plus how much is 7? 4 plus how much is 7?
4 plus.
How much is 7? 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7 plus how much is 10?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Okay. Now do one thing. Now see question. What is the question written? Read the question. Beta, I'm not asking the answer. I'm asking the reason. I'm asking you the reason. I'm not asking the question. See, read the question. Question
How
number
many
10.
circles will be there in pattern 5?
How many circles will be there in pattern 5? This is pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. They are not asking in pattern 4. Pattern 3 के बाद कौन सा pattern आएगा? Pattern 4. Then there will come pattern 5. So beta, from here to here we added 3. From here to here we added 3. Now how much will be added?
Ma'am, pattern 4 will be 13. Pattern
Plus 10 plus 3 will be there. It will be 13. Now pattern 4 to pattern 5 will be how much?
60.
16. Not 13 is the wrong answer. If you say 13, आप देखोगे नहीं question ध्यान से. If you not read the question properly, आप क्या करोगे? आप pattern 4 का लिख दोगे. Pattern 4 13 is the wrong answer. We have to write pattern 5 16. This is the correct answer. Pattern 16 and 16 is which option? A. A is the correct option. Do not write for pattern 4. We are asking for pattern 5. So do it and let me share it on WhatsApp group also. Do it quickly.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
I have done.
Just 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Just make under the pattern 1 से pattern 2 में plus 3 ऐसे बना लो. And make it till pattern 5.
Ma'am, in copy.
In book itself. थोड़ी सी जगह होगी book में वहीं पर लिख दो. Now I'm going to rub this and doing question number 11. Let's do it quickly. Question number 11. Now see question number 11 is, what is the number on, let me write doll 1, D1 means doll 1, D2, D3, D4.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse.
Ma'am, question number 11. Ma'am, I not understand question number 11.
बेटा मैं करा रही हूँ ना अभी, मैं करा रही हूँ ना, जब मैं करा दूंगी तभी तो समझ में आएगा, है ना? अभी मैंने स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया है, तो आपके कैसे समझ आ जाएगा? D8. If you read question, if they are asking what will be on doll 9 and doll 10, I will make it doll 10. Why I am making till doll 10? Why I am making
it is asking of 10.
Very good, because it is asking till doll 10, because they are asking the number on doll 10. Okay, doll 1 is having 1, doll 2 is having 2, doll 3 is having 3, 1, 2, 3, which is having 1 and which is having 3. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the pattern followed here. Yes, Manya, what is
Yes,
pattern
ma'am.
followed here? Let Manya speak.
Ma'am, first there is one, two, three. Then again
Manya,
it's
आप बोलो,
starting
आप बीच
from
में disturb नहीं
one.
होना, okay? Let them
Again
speak in
from
between, आप
one
disturb नहीं हो. हाँ.
and it stops from three. Then it's again one, two. Then it's nine. There is three and
वो नहीं
it's
बताओ
10.
बेटा, मुझे
There
पैटर्न
is
बताओ क्या
one.
फॉलो हो रहा है. मान्या, टेल मी व्हाट इज द, आप D1 D2 छोड़ दो, आप मुझे ये बताओ पैटर्न क्या फॉलो हो रहा है, ऊपर क्या पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है.
Ma'am, till three. Again it's starting from beginning.
1. It's like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. See, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Now what will come here? What will come here? 3.
Ma'am,
What will
three.
come here?
One.
1. Here it will come 1. Here it will come 3. Here it will come. So what is the given on the doll 10? Doll 10 will be pattern. Answer will be option which one? 1. B1. Answer B1 is the correct option. Now question number 12. Question number 12. Okay, which figure will come next in the series? So let me draw the series first of all. आप करो, आप ये वाला लिखो पूरा, उसके आगे 9 10 डॉल लिख लो, जहाँ पे भी स्पेस है just write it there. Just let me draw this figure by the time.
The second figure is like diamond.
All right. बेटा मुझे ये आंसर नहीं बताना. I don't want answer. I want to know the pattern. मुझे आंसर नहीं चाहिए, मुझे पैटर्न बताने की क्या पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है. Don't tell me the answer. मुझे आंसर बताया ना तो मैं नहीं सुनूंगी उसके, आपके आज से आपका कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं पुट अप करूंगी. ये चरित्र,
Ma'am, can
चरित्र. I think he's having network issues. Vidanshu, you tell.
Ma'am, in figure 1, underside of the 8 side, it is 4 side, and underside of 4 side, it is 5 side, and underside of 5 side, there are no side, and underside of no side circle.
No.
there
Wrong. Manya.
Ma'am, can I?
Manya.
The square is in the another shape, and the square that is in small one, it's come in bigger one.
Very good. Correct. सही है, मान्या ने ठीक बताया है. ये जितने जो अपने अभी ना मैं रिमूव कर दूं, वेट अ मिनट, जिनका कैमरा ऑफ है. आलिर का तो हमेशा ऑफ रहता है, इसको तो रिमूव करती हूँ मैं. एक उनशा का कैमरा कब अभी तक ऑन नहीं हुआ है since she entered into the class. Wait a second. Let me just. Wait a minute. Just let me talk to Unsha. Unsha बेटा आपका कैमरा ऑन नहीं हो रहा है, क्या आप व्हाट्सएप पे स्टेटस अपडेट कर रही है by clicking your pictures? हाँ Unsha, what you are doing? I think she is updating status on the WhatsApp group instead of studying, because she always do that during the classes. She is not even listening to me. She is not even responding. Let me show this recording to his father. Alit, he never keeps his camera on. Alankrita's problem. Ansh Patel has some issue with the camera, but what about Riddhi Agarwal and Unsha? See, I'm not teaching your faces, I'm not teaching your names, I'm teaching you. So open your cameras. Let me remove Unsha. उसे पता भी नहीं चलेगा, पता है? They don't know because they are not sitting behind the cameras. They are sleeping. Either they are sleeping or they are just updating the WhatsApp. Ansh Patel, sit down. तभी तो अंश का कैमरा ऑफ रह जाता है ना हमेशा, because just lying down and studying, है ना? तभी कैमरा ऑफ रहता है ना? Yes, as told by Manya, this option, this answer is correct. देखो बेटा, it is a figure, इसके अंदर स्क्वायर है, अब ये स्क्वायर बड़ा हो गया है, अब इसके अंदर जो फिगर था, it is coming here, it is a big one. इसके अंदर सर्कल था, जो सर्कल था वो बड़ा हो गया है, ये जो ट्राइंगल था, it will become bigger and it is becoming a kite. This figure is known as kite. बेटा see now here, एक kite होता है बेटा, देखो there are two types of figure. This figure is known as kite shape. What is this figure known as? Kite.
Kite.
Are you able to see?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
figure is known as kite, and this figure is known as diamond. This figure is known as diamond. Can you see? Can you notice the difference between the two? What is the difference between the two?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the difference?
Ma'am, that the kite has 4 sides and the diamond has kite has 5 sides and the
No.
diamond has 4.
No. Both are having four sides. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, both are same.
No.
Ma'am,
There is a little bit difference.
Ma'am, on upper side there are 3 corners and in the diamond shape there is
No,
in
beta, you can
down
say,
side.
beta, see. Now see here. Here in diamond, all the 4 sides are like equal, suppose. ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, ये these two sides are longer. In kite, these two sides are longer. And this side is equals to this side. ये दोनों equal हैं और ये दोनों equal हैं. इसमें I think 4 of them are equal. This is the difference. ठीक है? Now see. So what will be the next shape? Next shape will be this. Next shape will be this. अच्छा, ये kite का shape था या diamond का shape था? It is the shape of a diamond, not a kite. It is the shape of a diamond, not kite. ठीक है, ये diamond का shape है. Yes, this is the shape of a diamond, not kite. ठीक है, अब diamond में अब देखो कोई figure repeat हो रही है? नहीं हो रही है. Square, pentagon, circle, triangle, फिर kite, फिर diamond. ठीक है, अब कौन सा आएगा इसमें फिगर? कोई भी न्यू फिगर आएगा. अगर आप इसमें चेक करोगे तो बी ऑप्शन में एक ये वाला ऑप्शन है,
Yes,
और एक
ma'am.
डी ऑप्शन में ये वाला ऑप्शन है. बी भी नहीं है, बी ऑप्शन में एक ही ऑप्शन है. बी एंड डी में से कोई ठीक हो सकता है. वेट अ मिनट.
Ma'am, can I tell Aslan?
यस.
Ma'am, D1.
व्हाई D1? बिकॉज बेटा देखो, बी शेप जो है इट इज नॉट डायमंड शेप. B is a diamond shape, is a kite shape.
It is
B shape is kite shape. B जो है थोड़ा सा kite shape दे रहा है. If you can see. Only D shape is diamond. Diamond. Yes, D shape is diamond shape. So answer will be D. Answer will be D. This is only the diamond shape.
Ma'am, because in the triangle there is diamond shape. So D1
This
is
will be diamond, not kite. This is not kite. This is diamond. Right, diamond shape here. और B से B के आगे लिख लेना kite shape. और C के आगे भी चाहो तो kite shape लिख लेना. Okay. A new figure is here. A new figure is here. वो ठीक है. Okay. See this one. See this one, everyone. I'm not going to draw it. See this question. 13th one. This is known as heart. This one is known as heart. This is known as spade. Heart, diamond, heart, glove. देखो मैं आपको shapes के name बताती हूँ. First of all, let me tell you the shape name. देखो, have you played cards? Cards खेले? Cards देखे? उन cards में क्या होता है बेटा? There is one this shape. This is known as heart. This is known as heart. This is one shape like this. This is known as diamond. This shape is known as diamond.
Diamond.
Okay. Then there comes a shape of a tree. It is known as clubs. It is known as clubs. And there is another shape like this. Not opposite, like this. It is a shape of a leaf. It is a shape of a leaf. It is known as spades. This shape is known as spades. ठीक है? Heart, diamond, clubs, spades. हार्ट की शेप है, ये डायमंड की शेप है, ये क्लब्स है और ये स्पेड्स है. ठीक है? So let's see what is the pattern followed here. Let us see how is the pattern followed here. First it is heart. So beta, instead of drawing the figure, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं. Let me draw the figure. I am writing heart. Then I am writing this spades. Heart, H, spades. Then heart. फिर उसके बाद डायमंड. फिर उसके बाद there will be heart. And उसके बाद there will be clubs. Heart, clubs. फिर there will be heart. There will be heart. और heart के बाद there is again clubs. Oh sorry, spades. ठीक है. फिर spades के बाद क्या है? Heart है, उसके बाद diamond है. Heart है, उसके बाद diamond is there. Wait, let me write it down full. Heart, spades, hearts, club, and here it is a question. Look here. Heart, spade, heart, diamond, heart, club, heart, spade, heart, diamond, heart, spade. Now see, एक बार heart आ रहा है और एक बार क्या आ रहा है? अब हमें एक leaving after one each other. There is heart. Heart तो बन रहा है ऐसे. अब spade, S, spade, diamond, club. Spade, diamond, club. Sorry, ये मैंने wrong.
Excuse me, ma'am.
It should be.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell Arslan?
Arslan, don't speak. Arslan, जब कोई excuse me कह रहा है तो बीच में can I tell क्यों बोलते हो बीच में? Why don't you behave yourself, Arslan?
The answer is.
नहीं, somebody was saying
Ma'am,
excuse
the
me.
answer is.
Beta, nahi, somebody was saying, excuse me, who was that one? Yes,
Ma'am, I am.
What were you saying?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
No, answer नहीं बताना है, reason बताओ मुझे. Answer नहीं चाहिए मुझे. I want the reason. I want the reason. If you want to tell the answer, no need to tell the answer, tell the reason. Yes, Gauri. एक second. Wait a minute, everyone. Unsha, where are you? Unsha, where are you? Are you clicking the selfies and putting it on WhatsApp group? On status? Why your video is not on? Abhi मैं फिर से I should throw you out if you are not going to switch on your camera. Unsha, open your camera. Yes, Gauri, speak.
Ma'am.
I'll call your father, Unsha, right now and tell him that you are not switching on your camera. I don't know what you are doing inside, behind the camera. कैमरा बेटा तभी ऑफ होता है जब आप कुछ और काम कर रहे होते हैं, मीटिंग ऑन करके. बिहेव योरसेल्फ, उंशा. हाँ गौरिया बोलो.
Ma'am, after club, heart, and then question mark.
Okay, see here. Club के बाद heart भी है. Okay, thank you so much for telling me. After that there is one heart, then question mark is there. Sorry, that was left out. See, spades, diamond, club, spades, diamond, club. and heart is already given for you. Up फिर spades, what is the going on? Spade, diamond, club. Spade, diamond, club. Spade, diamond, club. See, spade, diamond, club. Spade, diamond, club. अब next क्या आएगा इसको एक छोड़कर?
Spade.
Spade. And what is the shape of a
Spade.
spade? What is the shape of a spade? This is the shape of a spade.
Ma'am, opposite heart and leaf. Leaf.
Opposite heart, yes, leaf वाला.
B1.
अगर आपको नेम याद नहीं रहता है बेटा, तो आप इसको लीफ ट्री भी बोल सकते हो, इसको लीफ बोल सकते हो, इसको ट्री बोल सकते हो आप, अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता इसका नेम, और इसको लीफ बोल सकते हो, तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. स्पेड की जगह आप लिख लो लीफ, डायमंड, ट्री, लीफ, डायमंड, ट्री, लीफ, डायमंड, ट्री, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. कोई भी सिंबल बना सकते हो. ठीक है, आपकी आपकी चॉइस है. Okay? Understood? Start doing it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, while I'll write the next question. Okay, I'm writing the next question here. If you want to learn these names, it's okay. If you don't want to learn these names, you can use your own names also. O, O, Q. Wait a minute. Dash, dash, dash. Tell me the reason. I don't want answer. मुझे answer नहीं चाहिए. I want the reason. Yes, Charitra. What is the reason?
Ma'am, the reason is first 2O, then 3Q, and then 3O, so 2Q, and then 2O, so there is 3Q, and there is 3O, so 2Q, and 2Q, so ma'am, there will be 3Q.
Now see, जब 2 आए 2 3Q 3 2 2 3 3 2 ऐसे बन रहा है. Look here. What is the pattern followed? 2 O 3 Q 3 2 2 3 3 2. Now here it will be, here it should be how much? 3. What is the pattern followed here? Look here. ऐसे कर रहे हैं. जितने O थे उसको लिखो. वैसे मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ? Look here. मैं पहले बेटा मेरी बात सुन लो. There are so many students those who are not able to understand. Look here very carefully. जो O थे उसको मैंने नीचे अंडरलाइन किया, और जो Q थे उसको आप ऊपर अंडरलाइन कर लो. सेपरेट हो गया, ऊपर नीचे हो गया. अभी अब मैंने O काउंट किए तो इट इज 3, Q काउंट किए 3, O काउंट किए 3, Q काउंट किए 2 2 3, सब काउंट करके लिख लिए मैंने. ठीक है, लास्ट वाला भी रहने देते हैं, लास्ट वाला नहीं करेंगे. See what is the pattern followed here? 2 3 3 2 2 3 3 2. What will come here next?
And 2.
2 should come. 3 भी आ सकता था, लेकिन यहाँ पर 2 ही आएगा क्योंकि 2 रिपीट हुआ. उसके बाद क्या आएगा?
Then 3.
3. Understood the pattern followed? 2 3 3 2
Yes,
2
ma'am.
3 2 3 2 2 3. Okay, so वहां पे O तो हो चुके हैं, तो what will be the answer? Q Q Q. This will be the answer. Q Q Q. A Q will be the answer. ऐसे बना लो आप भी, जैसे मैंने बनाया, वैसे आपको बहुत इजी पड़ेगा. इसको ऐसे 2 3 3 2 2 3 like this you can make.
Ma'am, this written.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, I have mentioned.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Ma'am, I have also.
Ma'am, I have also. Ma'am, I am also.
All right, now let's start the next question. I'll share my image with you. Okay. So now let's start the next question. This is the next question. Wait a minute. Just give me a minute. Wait a second. This question. Wait. इधर उधर वाले नहीं देखेंगे हम सिर्फ ये वाला आंसर देखते हैं. See this pattern properly. All of you can see? Okay, see this pattern
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Okay, let's try to finish this pattern ourselves. हम अपने आप इसको finish करने की कोशिश करते हैं. एक तो देखो, what will be here? Like this, a scale will be there. आप खुद से draw करके देखो इसको कि कैसे बनता है. So here it should be one line. एक line ऐसे होगी और एक line ऐसे होगी middle में. ठीक है, 2 lines वाला तो देखो. अब इसमें से see, क्या बेटा पहले मेरी बात सुन लो, करते कैसे इस टाइप को आंसर्स, इस टाइप के आंसर्स. आई नो यू नो द आंसर. अब देखो इसमें ए पार्ट में तो 2 फिगर ऐसे है, इसमें भी नहीं है, इसमें भी नहीं है, इसमें है बट दूसरी साइड पर है. सो दिस मे बी ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. सी आंसर हो सकता है इसका. इसकी है लेकिन दूसरी साइड पर है. बट इन दिस वन इट इज नॉट देयर. तो ये वाला आंसर भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा और बी भी नहीं होगा. बी भी कट कर देते हैं और डी भी कट कर देते हैं. तो ए और सी में से दोनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. सी इट इज सिमेट्रिकल शेप. सो ये यहां से ऐसे सर्कल जाना चाहिए. It is going like this. Yes, this circle is going like this. Then here it will be a big square inside this. Yes, A option is the correct one.
Ma'am, A.
It is also wrong.
Ma'am, A is the
Answer will be A. Answer will be A.
Ma'am, I have drawn in.
Okay, now let's see the
And
next
it's
question. Wait a minute,
10:40.
जरा रुकना भी एक second. Okay, let's see this question. The next one. Wait a minute. Let me maximize it for you. Maximize it for you.
Ma'am, this written.
Wait a minute, beta. See this picture. Okay, now let us start this picture. Let's see this picture. What is here? Okay. Now, as you can see here, here is a black part. So ये down पे एक ऐसा आना चाहिए और इधर आपका colored part आना चाहिए. एक side black आना चाहिए, एक side here it should be completely black. यहाँ पर आपका black color होना है. Why? Because आप उसके सामने देखोगे यहाँ पर black color होगा और यहाँ पर ये वाला color होगा orange. Orange should be here and black should be here. तो orange इधर है, black इधर है, orange इधर है, सब में ऐसा ही है. सब में ऐसा ही है ना, ऑरेंज एंड ब्लैक आर देयर. ठीक है. फिर सी द मिडिल पार्ट. नहीं, जरूरत नहीं है अरसलान. यूज योर ब्रेन फॉर दिस. अब देखो फर्स्ट वाला ये जो है या मैं करके इसलिए दिखा रही हूँ जिससे आपकी समझ आए कि करते कैसे है इसको. ये वाला ब्लैक पार्ट है. सो हियर इट विल बी अ लाइन ओवर हियर एंड इट विल बी ब्लैक पार्ट. देखो ट्राइंगल बना होना चाहिए और ब्लैक पार्ट होना चाहिए. ट्राइंगल बना है और ये ब्लैक पार्ट है. दिस में भी करेक्ट और दिस में भी करेक्ट. इसका मतलब है डी पार्ट भी नहीं है और ए पार्ट भी नहीं है. ए में तो स्क्वायर बना है. अरसलान स्टॉप इट. ठीक है. तो ये ए. अरसलान लेट मी स्पीक. अरसलान कुछ ज्यादा नहीं बोल रहे हो. ऑल राइट. ठीक है. अब इधर साइड आपकी ब्लैक साइड आ जाएगी, व्हाइट साइड आ जाएगी. ओके. सो बी में भी करेक्ट एंड दिस में भी करेक्ट. अच्छा इधर आपका कौन सा कलर